or charter, if you like.
So ngayong August 22, 23, and 24, itong mga unresolved issues, yan ang pag-uusapan.
Yan pag-usapan. And then I told them,
Saan po yan?
sa Indonesian Embassy, kung sakali ka ako, matapos na yan, the moment we can finish that, then, pwede na. We can, discuss some other matters. You can bring in. Ngunit sa palagay ko kako, yung mga minor items na yan, the nitty-gritties na tawag natin, ay pwede nilagay natin sa Consultative Assembly of the Autonomous Government. Doon na sa kanila. Kung talaga ang government really wants peace, quick and speedy peace, wala na, tapos na ito. But I think they want to prolong the agony of the people in Mindanao. Anong malay natin? Baka peace process niya, may maabutan pa yan ng there's such thing as being overtaken by events. Tingnan mo, ang mga gera-gera yan between Kato Group and Ajimurad Group recently. I had to send emissary. Nakita ko kanina ang emissary ko, pinapunta ko.
Chairman, ano pong nakikita niyo, Chairman, na isinabay po ng ating pamahalaan ang peace talk with the Moro Islamic Liberation Front sa August 22nd, kasabay po ng agreement po niyo na gaganapin sa August 22nd?
Yes, yung nga. Sana ay hindi nila ginawa ito. Bakit ba simultaneous? Nag-uusap dito, nag-uusap pa rin doon, and the discussion would cover exactly the same items. It will involve autonomy. Because ayaw nila mag-independence. You see? Hindi maganda ang kanilang policy. Dati, umalis sila because they wanted independence. Nang palpak na yun, ay ngayon, balik na naman sa autonomy. They want to snatch from us. Hindi maganda yun. Aywan ko lang ano bang isipan ni Ajimurad. Parang walang moralidad. Yes, sir. And then, the same territory. Di ba? I don't think they can give to them, let us say, itong Bukidnon, Misamis, Surigao, Agusan, etc., etc. I don't think so. Ang ibibigay nila ay yung covered na by the arm. Yun ang baseline.